let's see what is Java. Java is versatile and powerful programming language used for developing a wide range of applications, that is mobile apps or enterprise application, both are there. At its core, Java emphasizes portability, meaning code written in Java can run on any device that supports Java Virtual Machine, making it platform independent. That's good now that we can do one time coding and can run anywhere. So that is a good point here. Developers love Java for its robustness and scalability. Its object oriented approach allows for modular, reusable code, making development more efficient and less error prone. So Java's one philosophy is there, write once, run everywhere. Means developer can write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms without modification, saving time and resources. Supported by a vibrant community and backed by Oracle, Java continues to evolve with regular updates and enhancements, ensuring it remains at the forefront of software development. So this is a good as always, whether you are seasoned developer or just starting out, Java offers a solid foundation for building cutting edge applications in today's digital landscape.